Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. Today we will be looking at on how to use Outlook tasks. So, on the left side of the screen, we should see our mail, calendar, people, files, and this to-do. We want to press on to-do. Once we press on that, we can see this website. Here, we can make a task. For example, create a video. Now, I've created the task, and now I'm creating this video. That means I'm doing the task. You can make this task important. You can set a reminder for it. You can set a due date. My due date is by today, and it should repeat daily because I need to make a video daily. And with that, you can add a note as do it. It is important, or something like that. You can select a category, for example, purple, blue. It depends on you what category you want it. By creating a color, you can make multiples, like for example, editing. So I want to put this in the same category as purple as well as this. That way I understand that these two are in the same category, as in create a video, editing. It falls in line with my line of work. At the same time, you can, if editing is something different, I can put it as blue. That means it's not associated with my create a video. So, and once I'm done, I want to click on that, and that's completed. So if I go here and if I go to Outlook, and I go to do again, we can see I've completed one. I mean, it comes up here, but it completed one, and this is done. I can do this as well. Done. So hopefully this video helped you in one way or the other. If it did, drop a like. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.